Construction and Petersen Brothers Construction. They recently built this building last fall and then decided to do ribbon cutting grand opening today. This is Chase, and he will be kind of explaining the elite restoration side for us and what they do.
Like she said, my name's Chase. I'm the general manager for Elite Restoration. We have 5 locations, this being our corporate office. We have Burley, Pocatello, Bellevue, Meridian, and here. We serve basically all of southern Idaho for all your water, wind, mold, fire, any type of property damage needs. We keep it simple. This is Jeremy Petersen. He's the owner. This is the brains behind the operation. Thank you everybody for coming. We appreciate you showing up. Yes. Andrew, get over here.
Hi guys. Yeah, I'm Andrew with Petersen Brothers Construction. So we're a general contractor and construction manager here in the southern Idaho area. Third generation on this side. Kirk Petersen and the Petersen brothers after that. There's one of them here, Keith, one of the original Petersen brothers. And from there it came to Jeremy about 10 years ago, 2008, he took it over from his dad. And you hear stories about third generation businesses and all these things. It didn't go that way. It went really well. So we're here today, 10 years later, when he took it over. Beautiful building, what was really a sort of a rough part of it. We're trying on every project to go above and beyond. Us, as a general contractor, we self-perform concrete. We do our own steel erection, but without these customers, it just doesn't happen. We've got some vendors or subcontractors here. We got partnerships, more of us who we work for, and we want to say thank you to the community. Thank you.
Window frame that we would like you to share. If you would like one for each side, we can do that. So you can put it on your window. I noticed that they're clean.
Yes.
Please, nobody that goes in, do not put your hands on the windows. I already heard Jeremy yelling at his children. Oh, this one. So there you go.
Perfect.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yes, thank you very much.
Good job.
Yes.
Good job, boss.
All right, this is the ribbon cutting for the new office of Elite Restoration. 1, 2, 3, cut. All right, this is the ribbon cutting for the Petersen Brothers Construction new office. 1, 2, 3, cut.